Hey, how's it going, my man?
Not too bad, buddy. Hey, did you get that PowerPoint thing done?
Oh, the real emergency one?
Yes.
No, I didn't get to it. Did you get your report done yourself?
No, I didn't.
You know why?
Why?
Because it's I Don't Care Friday.
You know what? We could get in big trouble.
Hey, you know what? I don't care.
It's Friday.
You can wait till Monday.
Monday.
Because today we're just going to be sipping on a latte and not caring a whit for this company.
Nope. I really don't care what goes on today. You know what? Your wife called and left a message.
What'd she say?
I don't care. I think we're getting our midpoints today.
Oh, I don't care.
It's Friday.
I think I'm going to rearrange my paperclip collection today. After my 3-hour lunch.
I got a meeting later on to get my butt chewed on.
Skip it.
I don't care Friday.
I Don't Care Fridays is a new Saturday. We don't care. We don't care. We don't care because it's Friday. We don't care. We don't care. We don't care because it's Friday.
And nothing can happen to us on I Don't Care Friday.
We're Supermen. We're Teflon employees.
Of course, Monday will be Chew Our Butts Monday.
Oh, yeah.
It'll be like we put through a giant meat grinder.
It's going to be so bad. Let's not think about it, though. Let's live for today.
Yes!
Carpe Friday. Seize the Friday. Take that, Monday.